neighbor and say, neighbor, let's talk about God. I want to subtopic that with the study of his nature. It's appalling, pathetic, and an indictment for those of us who confess to believe and are saved under the principles of God's word and still have not learned how to talk about God. It's hard to talk about something
You don't know that.
All right.
That's right.
Are y'all in here?
Amen.
Touch your neighbor and say, neighbor, let's talk about God.
Let's talk about God.
There was something I embarked upon in my studies, and I just want to kind of read it and stuff in our hearing. When we talk about God, it was not part of the outline of my discussion this morning, but it builds on part of it on a series later on. Some things we figure out, we take advantage of once we have figured it out. We tend to take advantage of the things that we feel we have figured out. Then there are some things we can't figure out, we lose interest in.
All right.
Let's talk about God. Because whenever one feels as though they have pretty much figured God out, they have a tendency of taking advantage of who God is.
All right.
Not that you can take advantage of God, but we tend to believe that our position in life levers us to a place where we are very lenient and not very considerate of our position we should have in God. We're very careless in how we handle him.
All right.
Then there are those who are challenged to even begin to understand God, and because it seems so complex, they tend to lose an interest in it and still come to church.
All
Right.
You're either are or in between.
All right. Help us.
Are y'all in here?
Help us.
So when we talk about God, the study of his nature, when you learn the nature of a being, hear this. When you learn the nature of a being, you have some knowledge of its character. Things that make them who they are, distinguishable traits, the disposition of them, the essence or the true and real properties of their existence. When you learn the nature. Now, being a hunter, in my days, I used to love to hunt deer, I love to hunt rabbits, I love to hunt turkeys and stuff. And the thing about hunting is,